Okay, Mayuk, Ditya, are you guys ready?
Yep.
Go and take your seats.
This one. I take this one.
Okay, so we have kept a screen in between Mayuk and Ditya, so they can't see each other. Now we are going to start the challenge, okay?
Okay.
Mayuk, are you ready for the first challenge?
Yes.
Okay, so I have given an apple and a mango to both of them. Now, let's see what they will choose. If both of them choose the same fruit, then you get 1 point.
Okay.
If both of you are going to choose different ones, then you lose your points. Okay? Are you ready? Yes! I will say ready. 1, 2, 3. You should show the fruit that you have chosen. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come front, Ditya. See if it's the same fruit. Yes! Both of you have chosen mango. So you get 1 point. Go back, go back. Yes! Let's move on to the next round.
Okay.
Are you ready for the second challenge? So I have given you both 2 different chocolates. So let's see what both of you are going to choose. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pick up one. Come fast, Ditya. Yes! So both of you have a good telepathy. Good. Go back. You both get 1 point for this round as well. Ready for third round?
Yes.
So what have I given you?
Cake and 2 Oreo biscuits.
So I am going to see what you both are going to choose. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pick up and come. I knew she's going to pick Oreo biscuits. That's okay. You don't get 1 point in this round. That's okay. You have many more rounds. Go back and take your place. Okay, are you ready? She already started eating. So I have given cherry and almond. So Mayuk, ready?
Yes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Choose one and come fast. Let me see. What has Ditya chosen? Show me. Show me, Ditya. No. That's cheating. Mayuk, what did you choose? Badam.
Almond.
Okay, and what did she choose?
Cherry.
Cherry? Okay, so we don't get a point in this round. That's okay. Let's move on to the next round. Both of you ready for this round?
Yes.
Okay, so in this round even I have a doubt what Ditya is going to choose because I have given milk and water. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Choose one and come. Wait, Mayuk, she's slow. Come friend. She chose water and you chosen milk. Okay, so we are done with food items. Now, yeah. So I have given you a pencil and a sketch pen. So let me see what you're both going to choose. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come fast with that. So Mayuk has chosen a sketch pen and Ditya has chosen a pencil. So you don't get the point in this round. Go back and sit. Okay, so in this round I have given you 2 different masks. So I have given you a cloth mask
And
a surgical mask. Yeah. Okay. So are you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay, so both of you have chosen cloth mask. Okay, you get 1 point from this round. Go back and sit. Vidya, in this round I have given
Money and coin.
yeah. So it is a note and a coin. So let me see what you both are going to choose. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come fast. Yes! So you both get a point in this round. Okay, you can go back and sit. Ready for this round?
Yes.
So what have I given you both?
1 white pebble and 1 black pebble.
Yeah, so I have given you 2 pebbles, 1 black and 1 white. So let's see what you both are going to choose. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Take one and come and show me. What has she chosen? Show me, Ditya. You've chosen white. Okay, and Mayuk has chosen black. You changed it. Yeah, so you don't get a point in this round. Go back and sit.
Oh no, next is the last round.
Yes, that's the last round. Okay? So Mayuk is all shocked because I have given a chudidar and a sari. What is going on? So this round is a twist.
Twist challenge.
Yeah. What would you want your mama to wear? A sari or a chudidar? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come fast. Yeah, so Ditya has chosen a sari and Mayuk also has chosen a sari.
Mama needs to wear sari.
Is it Ditya?
Yeah. And dress. and dress.
Okay, so I have to wear everything.
Yes. These all you need to wear. And also so Ditya, you had fun, right? Yes. Guys, even you can try this. Before playing this game, don't forget to like and share this.